Ever wondered why maintaining oral health can sometimes feel like an uphill battle? Despite our best efforts, we may still find ourselves facing issues with our gums and teeth. The answer might just lie in the science behind SteelBite Pro, a supplement designed to support oral health using a blend of natural ingredients. At its core, SteelBite Pro harnesses the power of nature, incorporating a blend of ingredients known for their anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Take berberine extract, for example. Research indicates that this natural compound exhibits antimicrobial activity against bacteria often found in dental plaque and gum disease. Then there's artichoke extract. This ingredient isn't just for your salads, it's packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce gum inflammation and promote overall gum health. The formula also includes red raspberry and Chanca piedra extracts, known for their antioxidant effects. These antioxidants work to neutralize harmful free radicals in the mouth, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms against oral diseases. And let's not forget about turmeric extract. A key component of this spice is curcumin, a compound renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. By including turmeric extract in the formula, SteelBite Pro aims to tackle inflammation-related issues that can contribute to poor oral health. So, what have we learned today? SteelBite Pro combines the power of berberine extract, artichoke extract, red raspberry and Chanca piedra extracts, and turmeric extract to support your oral health. This blend of natural ingredients works together to combat bacteria, reduce inflammation, and neutralize harmful free radicals, all in support of a healthier mouth. But remember, while SteelBite Pro can be a valuable tool in your oral health arsenal, it's vital to maintain a regular oral care routine. Brush, floss, use mouthwash, and don't forget to eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Regular checkups with a dental professional are also essential to ensure optimal oral health. And as always, before starting any new supplement like SteelBite Pro, it's wise to seek guidance from a healthcare professional for personalized advice on dosage and usage. So here's to a healthier, happier mouth with the help of SteelBite Pro.